Computer Department and a co-head at IIC.
So, what a truly momentous day it is, and I'm absolutely thrilled to welcome you all this very special session as we gather to celebrate a significant milestone, the fifth anniversary of the National Education Policy 2020. Can you believe it's been 5 years since India embarked on this incredible transformative journey in education?
5 years ago, the NEP was launched with a bold vision to revolutionize our educational landscape, creating a system that is not just academically rigorous but also holistic, flexible, and truly geared towards preparing our youth for a dynamic and unpredictable future. It was a promise to foster critical thinking, creativity, and adaptability, moving beyond rote learning to cultivate genuine understanding and application.
So, here at Institutions Innovation Council, Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, Pune, we haven't just observed this transformation, we have been an active part of it. We have seen firsthand how the NEP has invigorated our classrooms, sparked a new wave of innovation, and genuinely encouraged multidisciplinary learnings. And it's fundamentally strengthened our focus on skill developments and cutting edge research, pushing us to break down traditional silos and embrace a more integrated approach to education. Our students are more empowered than ever to explore diverse fields, think creatively, and tackle real world challenges.
And now, let's take a moment to celebrate the spirit and dedication of our IS family, presenting a special video showcasing the highlights and work of the National Education Policy 2020. As we start the video, I request all the participants to listen to the video carefully as there will be a quiz based on the video shown.
All of you should pay attention to the video.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. As the President of Institutions Innovation Council here at Bharati Vidyapeeth Deemsville University College of Engineering, Pune, it's truly an honor to share this moment with you today. We are here to celebrate a landmark occasion, the fifth anniversary of the National Education Policy 2020. This policy isn't just a document, it is a visionary blueprint. The first education policy in over 3 decades, fundamentally reshaping India's educational landscape. It's fostering holistic, multidisciplinary, and future ready minds, with ambitious goal of fully implementing its vision by 2040. For 5 years, NEP has been a guiding force in preparing our students to be the innovators and leaders of tomorrow.
Building on Kashish's word, as Vice President, I can attest to how our institution has wholeheartedly embraced the spirit of NEP. We have actively aligned our academic framework with its principles, aiming to contribute to the national target of increasing the gross enrollment ratio (GER) in higher education from the 2018 figure of 26.3% to 50% by 2035. The IIC has been instrumental in driving these changes, ensuring that our college remains at the forefront of this educational revolution.
I am Asta Singh Agrawal Kodak. From an editorial perspective, one of NEP's most significant achievements is its strong emphasis on multidisciplinary education. It broadly replaced the traditional 10 plus 2 school structure with its 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 curriculum framework, breaking down rigid academic cells and allowing students to explore diverse subjects.
Hello everyone, I am Menka, editorial head. Adding to that, NAP champions foundational learning and holistic development. It goes beyond textbooks, promoting creativity, critical thinking, and communication, skills crucial for innovation. This policy also sets a vital target, achieving universal foundational literacy and numeracy (FLN) for all primary schools learner by grade 3 by 2025, a goal we actively support through our teaching methodologies.
I am Kavya Jain. I am co-head from IIC. I see NIP's vision for skill development and practical exposure come alive every day. The policy mandates vocational education, including internship, starting as early as grade 6, and aims for at least 50% of learners to gain vocational training by 2025. This focus on experiential learning directly supports NEP's broader goal of making education engaging and relevant, even aiming to bring 2 crore out of school children back into the mainstream by offering them practical, future-ready skills.
Hello everyone, Samar this side. I am social media head for IIC. NEP's embrace of digital learning and technology integration has been a game changer. As a social media head, I have seen how leveraging digital platform enhances accessibility, contribution to initiatives like PM eVidya, which aims to educate quality education, learning over 25 crores for school-going people. With the goal of 100% digital readiness in schools by 2025. We as a proud part of this digital revolution, enhancing accessibility and reach out.
Rohit Tyler, Technical Head. From a technical standpoint, NEP's encouragement of research, innovation, and entrepreneurship is transforming our campus. The IIC, with our technical infrastructure, labs, and incubation centers, actively nurtures this ecosystem. We are witnessing a burgeoning number of student innovations directly contributing to India's technological advancement and bolstering the quality of research and accreditation, especially when considering that in 2021, 600 out of 1,043 universities and 25,000 over 40,000 colleges were not accredited, highlighting the urgent need for quality improvement that NEP addresses.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohit and I'm the design head for IIC. NEP truly understands the power of creativity and design thinking. As design head, I ensure these principles are integrated into our curriculum and projects. This focus on aesthetics and innovative solutions is vital for engineering and for developing products and services that truly meet human needs, reflecting the holistic development envisioned by the policy.
I'm Sanskrit, head at IIC. Our Yukti initiative perfectly embodies NEP's goal of linking academic research and innovation with real-world problems and industry needs. It's about ensuring our scholarly pursuits have a tangible impact on society, fostering a practical application of knowledge.
Hello everyone, myself Ragambir Singh. I am the marketing head from IIC. NEP's ambition to position India as global knowledge superpower is becoming reality. As marketing head, I see our focus on international collaborations and aligning with global educational standards is improving the quality and recognition of Indian degrees worldwide. India currently hosts 47,000 international students and NEP encourages foreign universities to set up campuses here, further attracting global talent and fostering cross-cultural learning.
Vishal, Yukti Head. Through Yukti, we have seen remarkable projects emerge that address societal challenges and industry gaps. This initiative fosters a crucial problem-solving mindset among our students, preparing them to tackle complex issues with innovative solutions and contribute to a more skilled workforce.
Hello, I'm Aniket Kumar, Public Relations Head at IIT. Perhaps one of NEP's most profound impacts is its unwavering commitment to inclusive and equitable education. Through our PR efforts, we highlight initiatives that ensure accessibility and support for all students, reflecting the impressive statistics that the Gender Parity Index in higher education rose from 0.87 in 2011-12 to 1.01 in 2021-22. This commitment is also evident in the fact that 43% of India's STEM graduates are women, a remarkable achievement in promoting gender equity.
Hello everyone, I am Sarthak, co-head at IIC. Looking ahead, NEP is undoubtedly laying the groundwork for the future propelled by the Indian innovations and entrepreneurship. As someone focused on innovations, I believe IIC, the role is critical in nurturing future startups, founders, and encouraging the student to think broadly, to take calculated risks, aligning with the policy long-term vision for a knowledge-driven economy.
Hello, I am Karan Janavade, Innovation Head of IIT. The Ministry of Education is shaping India's future by ensuring quality, inclusive, and innovation learning for all. Through the National Education Policy 2020, it promotes holistic and skill-based education, empowering youth for a self-reliant India.
Hello, I am Neeraj Rane, co-head at Institute of Innovation Policy. Beyond theoretical knowledge, NEP emphasizes practical implementation. Our events are geared towards enhancing hands-on skills. Crucially, NEP pushes for intellectual property rights protection means we actively support students in patenting and securing their innovative ideas. And our robust internship program are essential for providing real-world industry exposure, directly aligning with NEP's vision for experiential learning and preparing students for the workspace. The policy's directive for standalone teacher education institutions to convert into multidisciplinary institutions by 2030 also speaks to this holistic practical approach.
So you just mentioned that you
So I hope we know well about IIC now. So now we're moving on to one of the most exciting part of our celebration, the NEP quiz. It's just a time to test your knowledge and see how well you know about the national education policy. The rules are simple. All you have to do is to scan the QR code that will be displayed on the screen, and you can directly access the quiz on your phone. And the instructions, just take out your phone and open your camera or QR scanner, scan the code with your name and details before starting. Answer all the question within given time limit. Make sure you submit your answers before the timer ends. You have 5 minutes.
So let's get ready, scan the code, and let's begin the NEP quiz. All the best to the each one of you, and may the fastest and the smartest win.
All of you are requested to scan the QR code for the quiz.
Those who have joined using the mobile can use the link in the messages to answer the quiz.
Rohit, you can start the timer. These certificates will be generated as soon as you submit your quiz. It will be shown in your Control ID that you have submitted. All of you, those who are present here, are requested to do the quiz. The link has been given in the chat box. You can check your names for the certificate. I guess the timer is over now.
So that's that after time ends now. And that brings us to the end of our exciting NEP quiz. A big round of applause for all the participants who actively took part and made this session lively and engaging.
Priyanshu, your mic.
Thanks, Kavya, for appreciating our participants, and I also do. As today we gather, it's not just looking back at the significant strides we have made, it's also about looking ahead. We'll reflect on the profound impact the visionary policy has had on our academic landscape and, most importantly, on your potential.
As we come to the close of today's National Education Policy celebration, I would like to take this moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for your presence, your energy, and your active participation.
And I hope you all enjoy the session. Special thanks to our respected dignitaries, faculty members, and our dedicated organizing team who worked tirelessly to make this event possible. And of course, to our dear participants, you are the true driving force of this celebration. Once again, thank you all.
Thank you, Priyanshu and Baba. And this was the end of the session. Wow, really? I see in this picture.
Hello, I would like to say something. Like those who have joined here, all the participants, other than the IIC members, I would like to congratulate you that you took that spirit to take the part in this celebration. Because many of us or many of the students just look at the message and they ignore, but you joined the session and you made the event or the made this session to be meaningful, right? So thank you, a special thanks to each one of you. And definitely, if you are not in IIC, I think you should join IIC. And at the time of recruitments, this participation will be considered partly. So a special thanks to each one of you and also the organizing committee. Thank you so much.